Hello, everybody. It is my presentation. In this week, I will talk about the control structures. Focus on the conditions if, else, and else if. The if statement checks the truthfulness of an expression. And if the expression is true, evaluates a statement. An if statement looks like if expression inside parentheses and the statements we want to execute. We are going to see an example. Let me open my file. I will create an if statement. First, I will declare a variable, the value of 1. Inside the parentheses, we are gonna put the condition we are gonna evaluate. In this case, I'm gonna ask if x is equals to 1. Open curly braces. It is not required if you don't use more than if blocks, but I prefer to use it in order to maintain organized code. So if this statement is true, this expression is true, I will execute this message. So let me see. Okay. As you can see, the message was displayed here in my page. But let me see what happened if I change the expression. For example, if I evaluate x is equals to, or let me change the value of the variable x. Save it, and then I'm gonna reload the page, and anything is displaying here. Okay. This is how the if statement works. Now, the if-else statement. So often you would want to execute a statement if a certain condition is met, and a different statement if the condition is not met. This is what else is for. Else extend an if statement to execute a statement in case the expression in the if statement evaluates to false. So in this case, I will show you how to use an if and else statement. So I will have the same value for x, but in case in case the expression is false, I will display the message. So I'm gonna save it, gonna reload the page, and as you can see, the message inside the else block was displayed because the expression here in the if is false. Now we are going to move to the next section, the else if statement. Else if, as its name suggests, is a combination of if and else, like else it extends an if statement to execute a different statement in case the original if expression evaluates to false. However, unlike else, it will execute that alternative expression only if the else if condition expression evaluates to true. So I will use here another example in order to show you how else if statement works. We create another variable. So I will evaluate this variable when I use same variable. If age is greater than or equals, sorry, we display message. Here in the else if, I will use another expression. Let me see. I will change here. Yes. Age is equals to 18. Or will be executed. Okay, now let me test. So now let me explain what is the I'm going here in this example. I'm using the else if statement here. I declare the age with a value of 18, and then I use the expression if the age use the first condition is if age is greater than 18, which is false. This block was omitted, so the next block, the else if, is now asking if age is equal to 18. In this case is true. This block of code is displaying, and we can see that if the age is 18, we have a value, a price of $15. We can change now the age. We can use sorry, 15, and we are going, and the else block will be executed, as you can see. So this is the example. This is the presentation. Thank you for all.